Good morning, my dear. I hope everyone is fine. Students, today I am going to discuss the next part of PowerPoint in which my topic is saying inserting object. But what the new topic that I have added, that is watermark and header and footer. And at last, I will discuss you how to group and ungroup. See, grouping means make your work easier. Suppose you have one picture and you have added 5 more pictures, and you want that these all 6 pictures should have the same color. That is the background. If I'm taking the shapes, then I want the background of these all objects should be red. Then what you will do, you will have the grouping of these all, so that in future you can have any amendment, any changing, yes, without any problem. Otherwise, one by one you have to do it. It is time taking. So to overcome from this problem, we use, yes, grouping. I will explain these all topics one by one. So first of all, let me go to the PowerPoint. Okay, I have gone to PowerPoint. So my first topic, that is um, yes, inserting watermark. See, student, it is applicable to a particular slide also, or to all the slides. So I'm going to use the slide master. I have already explained slide master. Whatever effect that you will give it to the slide master, it will be applied to all your slides. Okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, first of all, let me go to view. Here I have my slide master. I will click on slide master. Now I'm going to use, yes, watermark. Watermark is just the background. Now I will go to insert and use text box. Okay, and there I must have a box. I will increase the size. Okay, and here I will write main document. Okay, now I will have the color. This one as very light yellow. Okay, some more big I am going to make it. Okay, I did it. Now after doing this, I have to send, my dear, this one as this one to back. Understood? So for that, I will go to the format one, and there we have the group arrange, and there you have send backward. I'm going to use this. Okay, now what is going to happen just now? Just see, I'm going to view and coming to normal one. Now you can see my main document has been shown as the watermark, and this all we are that I will be typing, that will be the foreground one. Yes, like we are going to attend the doubt class tomorrow. Now see, there is no effect in the watermark. I have used this one as my first slide. Now, whether slide 2 will have watermark? Yes, because I have done this one in the master slide. So I'm using Control M. Now, this is my second slide. You can see it. It has also the watermark. Yes. Topic for doubt class. What will be PowerPoint? Suppose. Now you can see main document I have not written. Itself it has come. Now again I am going to create the third slide. Control M. Now it has come. So this is the way you can. Yes, you can be able to add watermark to your individual slide or to all the slides. Okay. Now my next topic is header and footer. How you will apply header and footer to your PowerPoint. Now see, this is my first slide, and header and footer, you know, it is applicable to all the slides. So what I will do, I will go to the insert tab. Now there you will see header and footer. It is in the text group. I will click on header and footer. Listen, my dear. If I'm using, yes, the footer, you see, in footer I should have my date and time, slide number also, footer as important topics. Now, whether you want to apply only to an individual slide or all to slide, I will use apply all. This is my footer, and you can see, my dear, what I have defined in footer. You can see date, the topic, important topics, and the slide number. Now, whether it is applicable in second slide, yes, because I have done apply to all. See, in slide number 2 also you will see, slide number 3 also you will see. But when you are using header, it will work only on handout. I will show you. So let me go again to insert. First slide, let me go. And then header and footer. There you have notes and handout. Now I want my date and time also. I want the page number, header as PowerPoint. Okay. Now listen, my dear. This will be applicable only to handout. You see, my dear, I have used apply to all, but it will not work here. Where it will work in handout, I'm going to show you whether it will be shown or not. For that, I will go to file. I will use print. Now there you will see. There you will see one option. Handout is there. Here I am going to use 4 slides. Now watch it carefully. It has come PowerPoint. You can see it. It has come as header PowerPoint and the date and time. So it will work only in your handout. Clear? Now, because this I have given only to handout. Now, the next part, it is grouping and ungrouping. Already I discussed that what is the importance of grouping and ungrouping. So I'm going to take the another slide. Okay, I'm going to take this one slide having the layout different blank. Clear? Now I will insert some shapes. Okay, I want to insert first here rectangle. Okay, now I want to insert some other shapes, that is this. I want some other shapes also. This one. I want one more last. This. Now, how many objects are there? 4 objects are there. But I have to change the color of everyone. It will be quite difficult for me because maybe it can have shapes, maybe it can have other also pictures. So if I will use control, all will be selected. But I want only, suppose my question is only to change the color of these three. Only these 3 objects should be moved. Only these 3 objects will be copied. So in that case, you have to do the grouping. Otherwise, if you will use select all, now what will happen? All will be selected. My yes, my work is to select only the 3. Then in that case, I will go for, now you see my dear. What I will do, I will go to first objects, I will select it. Okay, now, wait, who is come? Now I want the grouping of these 3 objects. Okay, so what I will do, my dear, first I will select which object to be grouped, to be connected. I will select first, second, and third. You know how to select it? You must have to press the CTRL key. Keep pressing CTRL key. Just I selected first one. Keep pressing the CTRL key. Select the second object, third object. Fourth one to be not grouped. Okay. Now these 3. Now I will go, after this, I will go to the home tab. Okay. There you have drawing, this group, and in this you have arrange. You have to click on arrange. Now when you will click on arrange, you will see group. Click on group. Now they all are joined. I cannot break it. You see, when I will select one object, all 3 will be selected. Coming. If I will move this one, all will move. Fourth one I have not selected. If I will, wait, I will change the shape. Format shape, it is there. Now, I want to have some color to be filled here, pattern fill. Now, when I use this one, all will be, okay. When I will use gradient fill, all will be applicable, okay. All are applied, my dear. That all 3 you can see, all 3 are, sorry, third one has not been applied. Wait. Yes, line, solid line, gradient line. Now it is applicable. So any changing that I will do it will work on that 3. Now you want, no, I want to ungroup it. I want to divide it. It should not have the grouping. It should behave as individual. Simple. Select your text. Sorry, select your object. And again use the same steps. Go to home, go to arrange, and there you have ungroup. Now all are broken. Now when you will select one, only one object will be selected. So if you want, yes, some objects should be in a group and then you want to work together, then you must have to do the grouping of your objects so that you can work whatever you want to apply to those objects, that all will be having the same effects that you have given to that. Okay, I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear. Thank you.